One of our viewers asked about the G sound, the in Afrikaans, and how to do that. Today we're going to look at it and we find the G sound in the words. What happens when you combine it with another letter? Let's have a look. To make the sound, it's like trying to get something out of your throat. And there's no sound. So when we do the sound, it's just a softer air flow at the back of your throat. So the G sound in Afrikaans, this one, you usually find in the beginning of a word, like gat or gaan, and then groet. We also get it at the end of a word. This one is good. It's got one in the beginning. Genoeg. Genoeg. Or you can get it in the middle of a word. There. Begin. Let's go. Gat. Gaan. Groet. Genoeg. Begin. Okay. The NG sound in Afrikaans is like the English sound when you say ping. It's the back of your throat. Ping. Bang. Hang. Honger. So again, it's in your throat at the back, but now we make a sound. Honger. Next time we'll have a look at some vowels and vowel sounds. When we have one vowel, it's a short vowel. When we have two together, it's a long vowel. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.